everyone, my name is Miss Brenner and welcome to our online 9th grade Schoology page. We are going to be learning language arts materials together this year in 2020-2021 school year, and I hope that you find this video helpful in navigating our Schoology page. So here at the top of our Schoology page, you can see that there are several different buttons that are different colors, and each of those buttons are hyperlinked to different documents or different Zoom chat rooms. Specifically, the red one is for our red phase schedule if we should ever need to be working on a red phase day. Then we have this greenish colored button, which is for our home hybrid Zoom. If you are a home hybrid student, you would be clicking on that button to take you to the Zoom every day on our scheduled time. Or if we were in red phase and we were going to be meeting over Zoom, you would use that button to enter the Zoom chat. I also have office hours on Wednesdays from 10:05 to 11:05. So if you want to come to my office hours for some extra assistance, you would click on that bluish colored button. Also, we use that button on red phase days from 2:05 to 2:50. So that is available for red phase days. We have our streaming notice in the purple button, and then our Barron News, which is through YouTube, and our weekly agenda. Our weekly agenda is just a very primitive overview of what we'll be doing every week. Thank you very much for being so flexible during these times, considering the fact that things are always going to change. And so that weekly agenda, if you are absent, I recommend looking at it to get a refresher as to what we're covering throughout the week, what should be to come. However, if we should end up on a red phase or with a snow day or something happening, that weekly agenda could change just because we're not able to accomplish everything that we normally would on a regular school day, and therefore some things have to be adjusted. So thank you for being flexible. So that is what's at the top of our Schoology page. Then if we scroll down, this red folder that says sub and then a date is used if I should ever be absent and not able to be with you. That is where you would find your daily assignments. So you can see that folder is old now. I was absent on the 4th of January, but that would have been the folder that was used for sub materials, so that way you can easily find them along with a video as to what you were doing in class that day. The next folder that is green is our virtual classroom procedures. That includes a copy of the Manheim Central School District Learner and Family Streaming Notice along with our class tour, so a little bit of a more in-depth welcome video, and then our phase change video, which explains the difference between green, yellow, and red, and then there's also a red phase video, which I'll be uploading shortly, that goes very specifically about the red phase schedule. We have our Zoom sessions. So once again, they are linked at the top in the buttons, but they are also linked here. So that way, if you need more than one way to access them, maybe it's not working properly, you can access them here as well. For our Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, for our home hybrid learners, that is where you would find that link along with our Wednesday Zoom session. And then we have our silent reading tracking sheets. Every student will be reading for approximately 15 minutes every day silently to themselves and then logging it so that way it can be recorded for educational purposes. And also you do receive a grade for that assignment. So there are different weekly logs to track your silent reading. Also, all of our assignments are categorized by week. So as you come into our class, we will be working in week 1. And in week 1, we will have different activity folders where there will be a weekly agenda that goes over everything that is in the folders, how to open it, how to use it in the expectations, along with the activity folders. So activities 1 and 2 are typically completed on Monday and Tuesday. So we have course information, how to use different tools on Schoology, and a syllabus quiz. Then we have creative writing and a reading survey. Then activities 3 and 4 are typically completed on Thursday and Friday, along with some review as to just double checking to make sure that you understand the expectations. So these are just different reading quizzes to confirm your reading from Wednesday. And then your silent reading discussion. So like I said before, we log our silent reading, and then we discuss what you read throughout the week. And those are all of our materials and our classroom tour. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to send me an email. My name, once again, is Miss Brenner, and my email is brenners@mannheimcentral.org. I hope you guys stay happy and healthy, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.